Okay everyone, I'm getting a little closer on this bloom technique, so we're gonna give it another try. I will list all these colors and all the recipes down in the drop down box for you, in the essence of speeding up a bit. We are going to work on a Master's Touch round 8-inch canvas, and hopefully I have that nicely centered on the turntable. Now the two things I noticed on the last attempt were I went from having my base paint being too thick to being too thin. Too thin, bad. Everything like shoots off the canvas. So I have thickened it up, added more straight paint, house paint to what I had, which had a little bit of GAC 800 and water, because the Behr paint was just too thick to start with, and it was really a problem. So I have some here and the rest I put in my bottle. I just didn't get it all out of the cup. So I'm going to start with our base paint. So this is my Behr Interior Exterior High Gloss White House Paint. And it has a little bit of GAC 800 and it has a little bit of water. But a lot less than it did because, like I said, I thickened it up a bit more. So I put a little too much GAC and water. So we're going to put a nice puddle down. Make sure I get out pretty far here. So I have to spin less. One of the things I've noticed is that I have to spin really hard to get it out where I want it to be. And I'm spinning too much. So that was one of the other things I learned. I got to be more careful on my spinning, because I finally got my blow really nice last time. I got my paint consistency almost there, and then I ruined it because the base was a little too thin. Well, I didn't ruin it, but it's not as nice as it should have been. And oh my goodness, there's so many bubbles in this, and you really can't do a whole lot with bubbles. Let me poke some bubbles, and then I will bring you back, because we really can't torch this. Hold on. Okay, I got rid of some of those larger bubbles. All right, let's lay down our colors and I'll name them as we go. So our first color is Liquitex Basics Turquoise Blue. This is Artist Loft in Neon Pink. This is Arteza Pearl Pistachio Green. And our last color is US Art Supply in Gold Interference Pearl. Make sure I have enough paint on here, but not too much. All right, move those aside real quick. And the last one is our cell activator. And this is Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. Now, don't overblow it, don't overspin it. Maybe we'll get it right this time. All right, here comes the hair dryer. Okay, way too much cell activator. Look at the outsides. If I can just blow away some of this excess stuff in the middle here. I'll blow too much, too hard. There we go. Now see, I'm thinning out that paint here and it's letting all that stuff pop through. Oh, so much better. All right, I just want to let it thin a little bit more. Blow gently. I just want to spread out that puddle a little more. Oh, see, I'm learning to blow softer. Don't overdo. Oh, look at all those cells. All right, I'm just letting it be for a minute because I don't want to rush it. I want to start spinning it before all of it's come up. So I'm just going to pause for a second, let it sit. Hold on. Okay, I'm just going to give it some gentle spins. Do not overspin it this time. Because that's where I went wrong last time. Way too much spinning. You want to spin it, but we don't want to spin it right off the canvas. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. If I don't mess this up, it's going to be awesome. Just a little bit more. I just want to get a little bit more of that off. And I'm really opening up that center with each spin. So, all right, the slightly thicker base is definitely helping out. Everything's holding so much better. It's not flowing off the canvas as fast. Oh, look at that, people. That is just gorgeous. Give it one more. Not gonna overspin it this time. No, I'm not. That yucky part that I'm trying to get rid of, it's almost all gone. There we go. See, I wanted to bring that to the edge. Oh, look at that. Now that is what I've been trying for in all those other paintings. Yes! Okay, I'm happy. I'm gonna clean up my edges a bit. I'm gonna bring you down to take a look. This is gorgeous. All right, folks, this is what all that work was for. Multiple tries, multiple partial successes, partial failures. And what do I get in the end? This is, I don't know, try number 7, try number 9. I've lost count. Look at that. Look at the cells. I got the base coat consistency better. I got the right amount of wood conditioner into my cell activator. Beautiful colors, beautiful lacing. Oh, if this dries well, I am going to be one happy painter. I am going to let this sit and dry. I'll take some pictures. Thank you so much for being on this journey. I am just so thrilled with this outcome. Could not be happier. Thank you so much for being here with me on this.